12 best and most beautiful places to visit in Argentina. Salta is an old colonial city with fantastic restaurants and a great climate. The central plaza is surrounded by bars and lively cafes, perfect for whiling away an afternoon. Don't miss the pink Cathedral Basilica de Salta and the beautiful churches in the surrounding streets. For a view of the city, head to Cerro San Bernardo. Jujuy is the most northern province in Argentina and home to stunning, colorful mountain ranges. Rent a car in Salta and explore the small northern towns nestled among the mountains. Visit the Hornacal o Cerro de 14 Colores and the Cerro de los Siete Colores for breathtaking views. These places are a must-visit for photography enthusiasts. Cafayate is a small town in the middle of vineyards, famous for its white Torrontés wine. Visit Bodega Domingo Hermanos for cheap wine and goat's cheese tasting. Head out of town to Bodega Piatelli or Finca Las Nubes for gorgeous views of the vineyards and mountains. Mendoza is the wine capital of Argentina, known for its Malbec. Explore the 3 wine regions surrounding the city: Maipú, Luján de Cuyo, and Uco. Don't miss a visit to Bodega Carmelo Patti for a free tasting of his wines. Mendoza also offers activities like horse riding trips and paragliding. Bariloche is a beautiful lakeside town in Argentinian Patagonia. Enjoy stunning views of the national park and snow-capped mountains. In winter, you can ski on nearby mountains, and in summer, take advantage of the blue skies and go hiking. Don't miss the short hikes to Cerro Yao Yao and Cerro Campanario for incredible aerial views. Iguazu Falls, one of the largest waterfalls in the world, marks the border between Argentina and Brazil. Visit the Argentinian side to walk among the Cascades and experience the full force of nature. Make sure to walk to the Garganta del Diablo for an unforgettable view. El Calafate is home to the Perito Moreno Glacier. Take a bus from town and witness the sheer size of the glacier. Watch as huge chunks of ice break off and crash into the water below. Ushuaia, the southernmost city in the world, offers boat tours on the Beagle Canal to see Les Éclaireurs Lighthouse and spot sea lions and penguins. Explore Tierra del Fuego National Park and hike up to Cerro Guanaco for unparalleled views. Puerto Madryn is a wildlife lover's paradise. Visit Punta Tombo to walk among the Magellanic penguins. Explore Peninsula Valdez to see elephant seals, sea lions, and even orcas. Swim with sea lions for a truly unique experience. Buenos Aires, the capital of Argentina, is a modern city with a European feel. Explore the different barrios, each with its own unique vibe. Take a free walking or bicycle tour to get your bearings. Indulge in the local cuisine and sample as much steak, empanadas, and dulce de leche as you can. El Chaltén is a hiker's paradise, with Mount Fitz Roy overlooking the small town. Explore the national park and hike to Laguna de los Tres for stunning views. Enjoy the free trails and spend your savings on the local restaurants, cafes, and craft breweries. El Bolson is known as the hippie town of Argentina.